House builders can help speed up their new home sales when working with solicitors using smart, ConveyLink digital home buyer conveyancing app technology. New build conveyancing is often very slow due to poor communication and the amount of manual paperwork sent between solicitors and buyers. Other factors that often add to delays are the time it takes solicitors onboarding their clients and ordering and completing searches. You can speed up the process of your plot sales right from the point of the buyer reservation. Introduce your buyers to simply scan a QR code for an instant conveyancing quote. Buyers can then proceed to download the solicitor's app and instantly see the auto-generated digital paperwork to complete and e-sign. In traditional manual process, this can often take days and even weeks.